Hello students, welcome to our education.in. Today we will be discussing partnership in quants. Why we are discussing partnership? Because you all people are going to become the upcoming managers. You have to deal with many profits in upcoming future. So what is partnership? Partnership is something when two or more people come and join hands with a common goal to attain profit. Every partner spends his time, money, or his patents to the business to achieve the final share within the profit. Alright? So you might have even heard there are two type of partners. One is active partner, right? And the second one is the passive partner. The active partner is one who is involved in the business completely, right? This active partner invests time, money into the venture. This passive partner is the one who invests only the money. So you might have heard about the angel fundings, right? Where these organization gets funds, right? So the people mostly involved in these kind of fundings are known as passive partners. In the GMAT examination, you will be finding the problems from the partnership, or which may be majorly the question comes from the profit share. All right, investment period, for how much period the partner have invested. All right, so let's start with the concept. So, what do you understand by the profit? All right. Profit of any individual person can be calculated with two parameters. One is investment made by A. Suppose this guy is A, and other is the time period of A. Like the investment period of A. Like if this A person have invested rupees 20k within the business, so just this information is not enough to calculate the profit. You are also supposed to know the investment period of this 20k, like for how much time this 20k has been spent over the business, right? So let's say it is invested for 3 years. So the profit of person A is 20 into 3. All right, 20k into 3, which is 60k. All right, this is how it's get calculated. And suppose likewise profit of B, there is another guy B who invested 40k for 1 year. So what is the profit of B? It is 40 into 1, 40k into 1, which is equal to 40k. So if you are being given that out of the business which is being done, the total profit came out to be 1 lakh, right? The question which will be asked to you, what will be the profit share of A and B, right? So as we have calculated earlier that PA by PB is equal to 6 by 4, which is 3 by 2, right? So do you know that this 3 by 2 is part ratio? What is part ratio? Part ratio is the ratio in which exactly out of the total amount each individual will get. But when we take out the value for exact value for profit value for A, how do we calculate? It should be 3 plus 2 into 1k, 1 lakh k. Alright, so it comes out to be, this is known as part whole relationship. We will be calculating this part relationship into the part whole relationship because we are dealing with whole. This is the total amount, right? So in the denominator also we have to keep the total value. Part divided by the total part into the total value. Alright, so it's 3 by 5 into which is 60k. So as you can see that this guy has invested, right, 60k, and this guy is getting back 60k, right? And if we talk about this, so this guy will be 4 by 5. Profit of B will be 4 divided by total sum, which is equal to 5 into 1 lakh. This guy will be getting here it is 2, right? So this guy will be getting 40,000 back. What again? 80k. All right. So can we say profit of A will be equal to profit of any individual, let's say A is equal to part of A divided by sum of the parts of A and B, sum of the parts of A and B into total profit. This is, I repeat, profit of A is equal to part of A divided by sum of the parts of A and B into total profit. Let's do a problem. Ravi started a business by investing rupees 36,000. After 3 months, Shyam joined him by investing rupees 36,000. Find the share of each in the annual profit of rupees 37,100. Alright, so this is the question. Let's find the ratio of their shares. So what will be the ratio of their shares? The profit of Ravi is to profit of Shyam. We have to find the ratio of their profit shares. So it will be 36,000 into 12 because Ravi has invested for the 12 months. Because nothing is being mentioned, we consider it as the 12 months, that is 1 year. After 3 months, Shyam joined him, right? It is written after 3 months, Shyam joined him by investing 36,000. So Shyam invested for 9 months, right? 12 minus 3 is 9. And the investment amount is 36,000. right? So the ratio of the profit is 4:3. This is Ravi's profit, and this is the Shyam's profit. All right. Now, what is the share? What is this? Is the ratio, right? What is the actual share of Ravi and Shyam? So the share of Ravi will be part of Ravi, which is 4, total part of Ravi and Shyam, sum of their parts will be 7, into total profit, which is 37,100. It's 21200. All right. So what will be the Shyam profit? It is equal to part of Shyam divided by total part into what will be the part of Shyam? It is total profit of Shyam, actual profit of Shyam, which is 3, divided by total parts of Shyam and Ravi into total profit, which is 37100, and this will come out to be 15900. So the profit of Ravi is 21200, and profit of Shyam is 15900, 15,900. So this is the ratio of the profit. This is part whole relation. So actual ratio you now see between this Ram and Shyam. It will always be 3 is to it will always be 4:3. All right, it will always be 4:3. Okay, so did you get it? So guys, did you understand what do you mean by this? At the end of the day, if you are able to calculate this ratio, the ratio in which the profit gets divided between the two partners, you are done with the question. This is the ratio in which profit gets divided. Whatsoever be the profit, if question says there is a profit of 1 lakh, then also it will suppose this ratio is 3:5. This 1 lakh will be divided in the ratio of 3:5. Even if the venture get the profit of 1 crore, this 1 crore will be divided between these two partners in the ratio of 3:5. If the profit of A and B is 4:5, right? This ratio is known as part ratio. We cannot play with it. We can only play with part by total value, total parts into total value. Why I am saying this? And this is known as part whole relationship. Alright. Why I am saying this? Because in the question we will be given the total value. So we have to divide it by the total parts only to get the actual profit of A or B. Do not commit this mistake ever. You cannot take it 4 by 5 into total. Most people commit this mistake and this is wrong. Never ever do this. Always take total parts in the denominator. So here we end the partnership. Keep on watching our videos for the GMAT and GRE quantitative section. Do not forget to subscribe us. All the best.